Picking the right dash cam can feel confusing. There are so many models, and they all promise sharp video and smart features. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. 70mm A810 Lite 4K dashcam front and rear. The 70mm A810 Lite is a solid choice for drivers who want clear video without spending too much. It records in 4K at the front and full high definition at the rear, which helps capture road signs and license plates with good detail. It works well for daily commuting, family vehicles, and long trips. The built-in application and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 connection make downloading clips simple. Voice commands add convenience when you want hands-free control. The support for 4G long-term evolution, remote access, is another useful bonus. True 4K front recording, HDR night vision technology, voice control support. The parking mode and emergency lock system add extra security when the vehicle is parked. Overall, this model offers great value for drivers who want modern features without paying premium prices. Number 4. Viofo A2 29 Plus dashcam front and rear. The Viofo A2 29 Plus stands out because of its dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. These sensors deliver impressive image quality and excellent low-light performance. Drivers who often travel at night may appreciate the cleaner footage and better light sensitivity. Both front and rear cameras record in quad high definition resolution. This setup creates detailed videos without taking up as much storage space as some 4K models. Motion blur is reduced, which helps when reviewing fast-moving traffic. The compact design is easy to install and does not block much windshield space. Built-in global positioning system tracking records speed and route information, while the 5 GHz wireless connection allows quick video transfers. Dual STARVIS 2 sensors, quad high definition front and rear recording, ultra-precise global positioning system. Voice control support is another nice touch. For drivers who place image quality first, the A2 29 Plus is a very impressive option. It performs especially well during nighttime driving and rainy conditions. Number 3. 70mm 4K dashcam front and rear. The 70mm 4K dashcam brings premium technology at a competitive price. It uses a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, which improves color accuracy and captures fine details even after sunset. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear camera records in full high definition. Drivers who spend a lot of time on highways may appreciate the advanced driver assistance system features. These alerts can provide extra awareness during long drives. The wide viewing angle covers more of the road and helps reduce blind spots. Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, artificial intelligence parking detection, advanced driver assistance system. This model balances image quality, smart features, and price very well. It is a strong option for anyone wanting advanced technology without entering the highest price range. Number 2. Pelsi S3 Touch 4K dashcam front and rear. The Pelsi S3 Touch offers impressive features at a very attractive price. It combines 4K front recording with full high definition rear footage and includes a 128 GB memory card right in the box. That saves buyers from purchasing extra storage. The camera supports Wi-Fi 6 and includes advanced driver assistance system functions. Voice commands provide hands-free operation, which many drivers find convenient. Parking mode protection adds peace of mind when the vehicle is left unattended. Starlit full color night vision, built in 128 GB card. Touchscreen controls. This is an excellent value choice. Drivers looking for strong performance and useful features without spending too much money will find plenty to like here. Number 1. BotSlab 3K 4-channel dashcam best pick. The BOTS-LAB 3K 4-channel dashcam earns the top spot because it delivers something many competitors do not offer: complete coverage. Instead of only recording the front and rear, it also captures both sides, creating a full view around the vehicle. That extra protection can be very useful for rideshare drivers, family vehicles, and anyone who parks in busy areas. The 4-camera setup records simultaneously and creates reliable evidence if an accident happens. Side cameras use magnetic mounts, allowing flexible installation. The touchscreen interface is simple and easy to navigate. Built-in global positioning system tracking and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi help manage recordings efficiently. The included 128 GB card means you can start recording immediately. 24-hour parking mode adds extra protection when the vehicle is unattended. For channel recording system, complete 560-degree coverage, 24-hour parking protection. Although it costs more than many competitors, the added cameras and expanded coverage justify the price. For drivers wanting maximum protection and complete visibility, this model stands above the rest. That is why it takes the #1 position. Final verdict. If you want the best overall dash cam, the BotSlab 3K 4-channel dash cam is my top recommendation. Its multi-camera design, wide coverage, and strong security features make it the most complete package on this list. It offers protection that few rivals can match, no matter which model fits your needs. Be sure to check the links in the description for current prices and more details before making your final decision.